Same kind of idea goes with the bricks. So when you're drawing bricks, let's say we're starting on the left side, your vanishing point and your rule is always touching your ruler, and then you decide how big or small you want your bricks to be, and then you draw your lines. Now, instead of drawing a line from the vanishing point all the way up, you can skip a step and just start inside your building. As long as your ruler is lined up with your vanishing point, you can just start right here. You don't have to draw that continuous line and continue to erase. It skips a step. So if you know how to do that, if your ruler is lined up, then you're good to go. So I'm just drawing lines all the way down. You'll notice if the lines are above the horizon line, then they are angled down, and now they're going to start to look straight because they're straight across from the vanishing point. So I'm just drawing lines, and as I get to the door, I just kind of skip over the door so the door doesn't get covered with bricks or lines. And then I'm making sure, since it's my horizon line is below, then that means my lines are now angled up. Then once I get to my last line, then I'm going to start to add vertical lines. And remember, vertical lines are parallel, which means they run up and down. So when you draw vertical lines, they're up and down. And I start with this first space, and I draw vertical lines, and I leave a little space in between each one. Then when I get to the second space, then you go in between the lines, like that. And it works best if you want those lines to be super straight to use a ruler. Since I'm going fast, I'm not using it. And then vertical lines, so you're always placing them in between the lines above. And there you go. And you do the same thing on the other side as well. So it's kind of up to you if you want to add bricks or not, or make it look like stone and color it gray.